Guys, today we're diving into the world of smartwatches with a focus on affordability and functionality. If you've been searching for a smartwatch that won't break the bank, but still delivers on features, then you're in the right place. Join me as we explore the Anyloop smartwatch and uncover why it's becoming a favourite among budget-conscious consumers. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Anyloop smartwatch. Now, if you don't know Anyloop, well, they've been gaining attention for their commitment to delivering quality smartwatches at an affordable price. With a wide range of features and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices, Anyloop is setting a new standard for budget-friendly wearables. Now, before we get into it guys, Anyloop sent me this smartwatch to review for my honest opinion. And you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork. We have a proprietary USB charging cable. I mean, proprietary cables in this day and age is a little bit frustrating, but you know what? It's pretty common with this type of smartwatch. And then guys, we have the watch itself. Now, first thoughts is this is pretty sleek and light and has a really soft, comfortable rubber strap, and you know what, it looks pretty good as well. Now, getting this set up is pretty easy. Just press the side button to power on. Once powered on, swipe up for a QR code and scan it with the Anyloop app on your smartphone. Now, setup is straightforward regardless of whether you're team iPhone or Android. Once you're all set up, it's time to dive into the features of the Anyloop smartwatch. From tracking your steps and monitoring your heart rate to receiving notifications and controlling your music, this watch does it all. With the Anyloop app, you can customize your watch faces, you can set up message notifications, you can track your fitness goals with ease. Plus, the watch boasts a variety of additional features, including blood oxygen monitoring, air pressure tracking, and even remote camera control. And guys, you know what? In terms of performance, the Anyloop smartwatch delivers on all fronts. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through the various menus and functions. So whether you're checking your heart rate during a workout or you're scrolling through notifications on the go, the watch responds quickly and accurately. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, you can wear the Anyloop smartwatch all day without worrying about running out of juice. So guys, there you have it. This is a quick look into this smartwatch. The Anyloop smartwatch is a true gem in the world of wearable technology, and with its affordable price tag, extensive feature set and sleek design, it's the perfect companion for anyone looking to stay connected and on top of their health. And guys, at only $49.99 at the time of this video going live, you're not going to break the bank or worry about having an expensive alternative on your wrist, no matter how aggressive your day is. Now, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. This was a quick whistle stop of the features of this watch. If you have any comments or questions about it, then please leave them below. And if you like the video or want to know more, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Anyloop for sending me this rather good smartwatch to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.